Hey, what's up, family? It's Derek Wood, your friend in the barbecue catering business. I want to first wish you a happy new year. Welcome to 2013. I want to say sincerely thank you for introducing me to your family. Thank you for introducing me to your friends. Thank you for introducing me to your co-workers. It was my pleasure in 2012 cooking for everybody, and I look forward to what 2013 has to bring. If you know somebody who might be interested in my help, I want you to know that I'm available in 2013 for all your office parties. I'm available for your family reunions. I'm available to help you. Just slow down and let us do the cooking for you. You ain't got to clean. Just get the services, throw the stuff in the trash, and that's what we're trying to help you do in 2013. Just give you an easy and a finger-licking good eating experience. So, again, I'm Derek Wood. I'm your friend in the barbecue business, and this is going to be a new way I'm going to communicate with you more often in 2013. I'm going to bring you some cooking tips. I'm going to bring you some health tips. I'm even going to bring you some life experience tips. So don't keep me a secret. Share me with somebody. Share this newsletter. Share this video. Just share my services with somebody. You can order me and just send me to somebody else if that's your desire. Anyway, I look forward to talking to you, and comment and let me know what you think about this newsletter. And I will talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day.